Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I'm not feeling well.
You should rest.
I'm tired of this.
Let's take a break.
I'm confused.
Let me explain again.
I'm happy.
I'm happy for you.
I'm sad.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's my fault.
Don't worry, it happens.
Don't worry about it.
Thanks, I won't.
I don't agree.
That's okay, we can discuss it.
I agree with you.
I'm glad we agree.
I understand.
That's great.
I don't believe it.
But it's true.
It's a good idea.
I think so too.
It's a bad idea.
Let's think of something else.
That sounds great.
Yes, it does.
That's terrible.
I know, it's really bad.
I'm excited.
I'm excited for you too.
I'm surprised.
That's unexpected.
I'm disappointed.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm impressed.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I'll do my best.
I know you will.
It's not my thing.
That's okay.
I've changed my mind.
That's all right.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, it means a lot.
I'm counting on you.
I won't let you down.
You're right.
I'm glad you think so.
You're wrong.
I'll check again.
It's too late.
Maybe we can try tomorrow.
It's too early.
Let's wait a bit.
I'm almost there.
Great, see you soon.
I'll be there soon.
I'll be waiting.
That's not fair.
I understand how you feel.
Can you wait here?
Yes, I'll wait.
I don't care.
That's fine.
It's up to you.
Okay, I'll decide.
Let me know.
I will.
I'm in a hurry.
Let's move quickly.
I'm on time.
That's great.
I'm late.
It's all right.
I'm early.
That's good.
It's too expensive.
I understand.
It's cheap.
That's a good deal.
What's your opinion?
I think it's good.
It's none of your business.
I see. Sorry about that.
I have no idea.
That's okay.
I'm confused.
Let me explain.
It's not important.
All right, I won't worry about it.
That's enough.
Got it.
I'm ready.
Let's start.
I'm not ready.
Take your time.
It's urgent.
I'll handle it right away.
It's not urgent.
Okay, I'll wait.
It's interesting.
I agree.
It's boring.
Let's try something else.
That's funny.
I think so too.
That's not funny.
I understand.
I'm serious.
I can tell.
I'm joking.
That's funny.
Don't be late.
I'll be on time.
Take your time.
Thanks, I will.
Come here.
I'm coming.
Go away.
All right, I'll leave.
Stay here.
I'll stay.
Follow me.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hurry up.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Slow down.
Okay, I'll slow down.
Turn left.
Got it, turning left.
Turn right.
Turning right now.
Go straight.
I'm going straight.
Stop here.
I'll stop.
Wait a minute.
Okay, I'll wait.
Let's go.
All right, let's move.
Don't worry.
I won't.
Calm down.
I'll try to relax.
Watch out.
Thanks for the warning.
Be careful.
I will, thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
That's enough.
Got it, I'll stop.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.